Complete newbie here. What do you do if there's no code plug for your area? Again, what we can do is I would suggest going to like repeater book here, and I'll go back to the main page, North America repeaters. But this is worldwide, and you can actually come here and select your area and find the repeaters that are in your area and actually start to build your own. We do on our website at the bottom, let me pull it up. We do have some available code plugs. Not all states, we don't have all states yet. We don't have everything of 100% because these are provided from you guys. And when we do verify them, we do put them up here where we have download a code plug at the bottom, where you can actually see our different code plugs that we provide to you guys for free for your states. Now, these aren't 100% up to date, so use them at your own risk, but we do try to provide these to help you guys out a little bit to start you guys out. Now, you might also have to upgrade this because these might be older versions, and you might get either a band error from a different band it's in or some of the other things. So you might need to export and re-import in order to do that. And if you have any questions about band error issues, be sure to check out yesterday's issue of BridgeCom University. We happen to run right into that error in our live stream, and we fixed it live up on there for you guys to see. So that would be a great thing for you guys to look at if you have any issues with that.